Hey, what's up guys? My name is Arena and welcome to my channel where I review everything tech. A couple of days ago I got this box from Google. I'm pretty sure you already know what's inside with all this hype surrounding the new Pixel 3a. A big shout out to Google for sending me the new Pixel 3a XL and some accessories. Let's do a quick unboxing guys, and I was pleasantly surprised how easy it was to open the box itself, which is pretty rare. No knives needed, you just pull these little stickers and you're ready to go. In the box you get the phone itself, a fast charger, a charging cable, a switch adapter so you could easily transfer data from your old phone to the new one, and we also get some paperwork, a SIM tool, and stickers. The first thing that strikes me is how light this phone is. For instance, if you put the iPhone XS Max and the Pixel 3a XL together, they look pretty much the same in terms of size, but the Pixel is so much lighter, which is easy to explain because the Pixel 3a XL has a polycarbonate unibody, no glass back, no metal frames. This Pixel is considered to be a budget model from Google. You can get the 3a XL for $479. And if you're interested in a smaller model, the Pixel 3a will set you back $399. This phone has a 6-inch OLED display. Right away I can say that it's pretty bright and vivid. The display looks pretty good when looking at it from different angles. I'll definitely test this display outside and see how it performs, but my first impressions of the display are very positive. This phone is powered by Snapdragon 670, has 4GB of RAM and 64GB of unexpandable storage. It feels very snappy right now, but I'm very interested to see how it performs once I load all my apps on it. When it comes to biometrics, there is no Face ID on the Pixel 3a XL, only fingerprint scanner, which performs really good so far. Very fast and easy to reach with your finger, feels very intuitive. The Pixel 3a XL has the same amazing camera as the Pixel 3. The only thing that's missing here is the wide-angle front-facing camera mode. I don't want to sound repetitive, but as you already know, the Pixel 3 has one of the best cameras on the market today. And the fact that this budget model shares its camera with the flagship Pixel phone is simply amazing. I actually know people who bought Pixels just for their cameras. I even know people who switched from iOS to Android just to get their hands on the Pixel cameras. And now you can get the camera for almost half off. I can wait to test out this camera in real world and especially see how it compares to much more expensive smartphones. When it comes to audio, the 3a XL has stereo speakers, which is great because having two is always better than having one, and right away I can say that these speakers are quite loud. We also get 3.5mm headphone jack, which is located on the top. Speaking of the battery, we have a big one here. It's 3700 mAh. Google promises us that we get 7 hours of use on a 15-minute charge, and we get up to 30 hours on the full charge. So we'll see how these claims compare with my daily use. In the end, I think that the Pixel 3a and Pixel 3a XL have done something amazing to seriously shake up the way we'll look at the budget phones. I'm excited to really get to know and test this phone, so stay tuned for a comprehensive review as well as real-world camera comparisons. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys later!